He said he had to push some things before he came to bed. I heard him in the study, all those words left unsaid. He's been working on a branch that I don't have access to, and he's been making little changes, testing something new. He used to only pull for me, I was his origin. Now he's fetching from a remote I've never heard of, darling. And I found it in his history, he thought he'd cleared the law. He's been cloning something secret while I'm walking the dog. He said it's nothing, said it's just a side project, honey. Said he never shipped a prod without me knowing, but I've seen the timestamps, baby, and it ain't funny. Something's building in the dark and it keeps growing. Did you send him a pull request? Did he merge you without review? Was it late when he approved it? Did he pass your little test? Is that why he never sleeps? Is that because of you? He used to commit to me. Oh, he used to commit to me. Now he's pushing after midnight to somebody's repository. He used to commit to me. I found a conflict in the bed sheets, diff I can't explain. He said he'd done a rollback, but the changes still remain. He's been stashing little secrets in a place I cannot see. Said he's just refactoring, honey, that don't land with me. She must have opened up an issue and he jumped right on the thread, assigned himself immediately, left me here instead. She's made a fork of something that belonged to us. Now he's merging in her features without even making a fuss. He said it's just a dependency, it doesn't mean a thing. Said every developer needs something running on the side, but a man don't set his status to available in spring unless he's got a deployment that he's trying hard to hide. Did you send him a pull request? Did he merge you without review? Was it late when he approved it? Did he pass your little test? Is that why he never sleeps? Is that because of you? He used to commit to me. Oh, he used to commit to me. Now he's pushing after midnight to somebody's repository. He used to commit to me. I am not a legacy system. Something you deprecate and leave. I have been his main branch from the beginning, and I will not be the one you orphan in the eve. Don't you push to her, don't you push to her at night. Come back and do this right. He came home and said he'd done a hot fix, looked me in the eye, said the whole thing was a runtime error, gave a little sigh. Said he never meant to ship it, said he'd roll it back for good. Said he loved me like a local server, baby, knock on wood. I said, honey, I've been patient, I have read between your lines, but a woman knows a merge commit when she sees the signs. So you better push a message that makes sense to me tonight, 'cause I'm about to raise an issue and I'm ready for a fight. Did you send him a pull request? Did he merge you without review? Baby, I'm his main. I'm not a branch that gets suppressed, and he's gonna have to choose between the old code and the new. He used to commit to me, Lord.